Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, for his message.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. By respect to our commander for the 2nd Mechanized Brigade, Armored Division of the Philippine Army, we have Brigadier General Anton G. Abrina of the Philippine Army. Sir. So the commanding officer of the 5th Mechanized Battalion of the Armored Division of the Philippine Army, we have Lieutenant Colonel Neil Piad of the Philippine Army. Sir. My fellow public official, elected official, here with us, we have Honorable Rafael Rizalda of the municipality of Maigo. We also have here the chairman of Barangay Papan of Tangkalan del Norte, Sir Honorable Abdul Salik Sidik Diragon, along with his better half, the chairman of the Barangay Poblacion in Tangkal, Honorable Sauda Abubakar Diragon, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, my constituents, punong barangays of the municipality of Nunungan headed by Honorable Ati Maguindanao, all participants of today's activity, once again, good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, having this ceremonial turnover of loose firearms signifies our commitment to the government for the attainment of lasting peace, not just in our area of responsibilities, but the country as a whole. So I will speak on behalf of my area of responsibility, the municipality of Nunungan, the province of Lanao del Norte. It is a public knowledge how the municipality of Nunungan exists. The town had been deprived for peace and development for the past decades, or to be exact, 30 long years that the municipality of Nunungan had been deprived for such. So on behalf of the local government unit of Nunungan, we commend the advocacy on implementing this initiative on turning over loose firearms as a testament to our quest for lasting peace and order in our community. So, inuulit ko po, laking pasasalamat po natin that the national government, particularly the Armed Forces of the Philippines, has this initiative na magkaroon tayo ng pag-surrender ng loose firearms. Ito ang patunay na tayo ay nagsusumikap na makamit natin yung peace and order sa bawat area of responsibilities po natin. So, on behalf of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, as an LB President of all the mayors in Lanao del Norte and eventually the National Vice President of the Mayor's Leagues, so I encourage local government unit to cooperate, to collaborate. Otherwise, we believe that everything cannot be possible without this. So, maraming salamat po, Sir Abrina, Sir Piat, sa lahat ng EFP family. So, kailangan po magtulungan tayo. Yun po ang lagi po natin sinasabi. Wala pong mangyayari kung wala pong collaboration sa lahat ng mga agencies. Kami din naman, on behalf of the local governments of Nunungan, kami po ay 100% supportive sa lahat ng hakbang ng national government. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you.